What's going on, everybody? Small workshop today on one of the most basic concepts of trading. It's one of the first things everybody learns about, but not everyone understands it between lower time frames and higher time frames. So that's accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So everyone knows, so you're distributing up, you're making your move. Maybe we sweep out some form of liquidity, and then we're going to start accumulating. Finally, you get your manipulation move, and then we can expect to start distributing lower. So looking at Monday's price or Friday's price action here, that's what we had. We had our strong move up, swept out a ton of liquidity, and then we're reaching into all-time highs. And as you can see with the volume down here, buyers are getting exhausted, and we start accumulating on the 1 minute time frame. So, and then you can see here on ES, we actually had our manipulation leg above all these stops, made this SMT here, and then we distributed lower. And same thing, we started accumulating down here, manipulated down, ES swept the low, that's our manipulation, and we start distributing higher. But a lot of people might be taking this trade and thinking, okay, now that we've accumulated, manipulated, and we're looking to distribute back up, they're thinking we're going to start blasting past this again. But you got to look at what's going on in the higher time frames, even just the 5 minute. Fuck. On the 5 minute, it's the exact same thing we just saw in the 1 minute. We had our move up, but now we're accumulating. It's just larger, right? And we haven't had a manipulation leg out of here yet. Same thing on the 15 minute. We're accumulating in this range. This is the end of the session on Friday, so it looks like we might want to maybe start manipulating down into here. You'd want to see, especially on the higher time frame here, you'd want to see a solid manipulation, something obvious, and then you can drop back down to the 1 minute and start looking for the same thing: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution up, and that will form into your higher time frame distribution, right? So there's always time frame alignment. You have to be paying attention on what's going on the higher time frames. You can't just get locked into the 1 minute because you're not always going to reach the targets that you're hoping for if you don't know if we're actually ready for that, right? So if you were looking at this just on the 1 minute, this is all an accumulation phase. So we want to see a manipulation either way out of here or way out of here, and then look for us to come back into that range and start distributing the other way. So pretty basic, but something to keep in mind that I think a lot of people forget about. So yeah, hope everyone enjoys the rest of their weekend. Thanks.